we have a circuit, and we have to get the total resistance in the circuit. So what should we do first here? I see you're already starting. What's the idea for the first part?
1 over.
The 1 over, yeah. So we'll want to add the three of them together, won't we? Let's see. Part 1. 1 over R equals 1 over 12 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2. So let me see, that's over 12. That's 1 plus 4 plus 6. Is that 11 over 12? So the resistance there is 12 over 11. But we still have to add that to the other one. What's the other one? 0.5, which is 1 over 2. So that's a 22, and that's a 24. Huh? Yeah, no. Oh, you're telling me in total it's 1.5, is it? Exactly 1.5?
1.59.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Where did the 1 over 2 come from?
That's in the circuit.
Oh.
It's the half of the top.
Oh.
24 and 11, 35. Is 35 over 22 the same number there? Yeah, and what is that number? 1.
6.
Well, let's give us a couple of decimal places.
1.590.
1.590 ohms then, okay. Right, so that's part 1 done. Part 2 is what's the current up here. So what's the formula that gives me current? Let's see, if I use my VIR, the I is V, which is 8, over R, which is just found, of 1.59. So, whatever the heck that is.
5.031.
0.031, so like that. And lastly, what is the power? We haven't done this yet. So we can't really finish this question. So I'm just going to write the formula down, but we haven't done the formula yet. But if you watch this video later, just so you can have the answer, later we'll discover the formula for power is simply I times V. So the I is 5.03 and the V is 8. Oh, sorry. No, it's wrong. The power consumption in the 2. I was looking at the wrong one. Do we know the current in the 2? We don't. Okay. VIR. Because we don't know the I here, we should replace it with V over R, because we don't know what the I is here. So if I replace it with V over R, I get V squared over R. Do I know the V in the bottom one? Well, these are all the same, aren't they?
8.
Is it 8 though? I don't think so. Because this is up here. Yeah, so these three should be the same. But it's not going to be the same as the 8 because you have this other guy here. It's going to be this plus this should make 8. Well, they made this last one kind of hard. For only 2 marks, I mean, because before I get that, I'll have to get the voltage here. Or get the voltage here.
Isn't the voltage there
That's the total for the 2. Why did they make this so hard? I mean, okay, we can do it easily, but I'm just confused why it's only 2 marks. Yeah, okay, that's what they did. So if you look up the top here, what's the voltage? The voltage is IR. And what's the I? We worked it out, 5.03, and the R is 0.5. So, Siva, can you just do 5.03 times 0.5? What do you get?
2.51.
Okay, now that's the voltage up here. And this voltage and this voltage, they must add together to make
8.
8. So if you do 8 minus that, what you get?
5.48.
Okay, square it. And then divide by 2. 17.08. So that's 17.1 watts. Now we'll do that formula in a little bit. Don't worry about it. I'm very confused why they made it 2 marks. It seems like it shouldn't be only 2 marks. Maybe they were being mean about it. Okay? Yeah? I can close this? Yeah, okay. Right. Is A6 another... no, we haven't done that one yet for sure. So we can't do A6. Where's the next electricity one? A11 we should be able to do. Okay, A11 next.